If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're here for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon on the YouTube app and you will never miss any new videos that we release. Hi, this is a continuation of an earlier video where I wanted to show how to use a fire extinguisher. This valve in the fire extinguisher that we already had was faulty and leaking. So that's how all the gas actually came out. This is a new one that we bought which has a seal that I'm going to open. And this extinguisher was also lying around. As you can see, the needle in the new fire extinguisher is in the green zone. We are going to light this shredded paper on fire and keep this on top so that the burning pieces don't fly around. So what one has to do is to pull the pin out, point the nozzle in the direction of the fire and then squeeze the lever. Ideally, the nozzle should be aimed at the base of the fire, but since here all the paper is inside the cardboard box, we are aiming it on the top. Fire extinguishers can be of different types. This one is the most commonly used fire extinguisher that has powder inside it. And what it does is settle on the objects that are on fire and cuts off the oxygen to stop the fire. Now let's see how far it can reach. That's quite far, almost 10 feet. While doing this experiment, we got a very nice lesson on the fact that even if you think you put out the fire, sometimes the embers keep burning and the fire may rage again, and that happens many times in real life. In our case also, the smoke kept coming out and finally we had to put some water so that all the paper got wet, and then only we were reassured that the fire is out. Finally, we'll clean all this powder with water.